Does your media room look like this? I bet it doesn't. My brother showed off his media room and it's pretty cool. But he doesn't have a starship in his like I do. Before the NASA Artemis program, there was Artemis Spaceship Bridge Simulator. Think Star Trek, but no royalties. Yeah? It's basically a Star Trek simulator game. Each of these computers behind me represents a station on the bridge of the starship. You have a captain, Helm's officer, weapons officer, communications officer, engineer, and a science officer. All of these people have their own independent responsibilities, but they have to work together to complete the mission.
Red thingy moving toward the green thingy. I think we're the green thingy.
What does it take to set up a bridge simulator in your media room? First off, you have to have a large screen, which if you have a media room, you probably have a large screen. If you don't have a media room, you probably have a large screen, something that you can use as the main screen. Now, if you have a media room like mine, you have to move everything out of the way. With the help of my sons, we cleaned up our media room, got all the stuff out of there that wasn't needed. The couches were a little too bulky to get out of the room, so we moved them forward. And then I have some folding tables, nothing fancy, just some lifetime folding tables I set up behind the couches, and some lifetime folding benches that I set up for each table. And then I bring out laptops, the desktops, the monitors, some speakers, some keyboards, mouse, and a joystick. I have 6 computers, desktops, and laptops that are networked together to form the bridge of a starship. What can I say? I collect old computers. Of the many activities that we do in our media room, watching movies is not everyone's favorite. Playing Artemis is definitely a favorite, not just among my kids, but my friends, my kids' friends, all the nerds in the neighborhood, they love coming and playing Artemis. If you have any questions about how I set up this bridge simulator, put it in the comments. If you're looking for a more standard media room, but you want to add some automation to it, check out my brother's video right here. Or you could subscribe for more of our other videos. This is the bridge of the starship Artemis. Knocked my microphone off. Let's get to that. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.